So guys, there is Hindu temple here in Moshi.
Guys, this is the street market of the town Moshi.
Yes.
And we are going with Frank exploring the streets of Moshi town.
And you can see in your left side, right side, is the bus station of Moshi.
Right.
So if you want to go to Daslam, you have to come here.
Oh,
Oh guys, we are in the police station.
this is the local newspaper stand in Moshi town. You can see all kinds of newspapers here. Most of them are in Swahili language, and wonderful to know that people want to keep themselves updated about all the things across the world. Thank you.
They find a clock tower there.
Coca-Cola.
Oh, that's Bomba Road. I know. See, what a lovely bike this guy has.
There's the Coca-Cola Tower in the center of the Moshi town, Coca-Cola Tower.
Okay.
So guys, in the Moshi town in Tanzania, we're going to have this beautiful thing called Mindy, which is called Challi in Punjabi and Thorn in English. So we're going to have this Mindy Challi. What's your good name? What's your name?
My name is Yash.
Oh, that's a good name. Please, I can have one Mindy. One. Challi, yeah, Challi.
चलिए.
Yeah.
शॉपिंग चल रही है जी.
Shopping in Kilimanjaro.
So right now we're looking for a tuk-tuk.
We're looking for an auto which is called Tuk Tuk in Tanzania.
How is it, guys?
So we are now going in the Tuk Tuk in Tanzania back to our hotel after buying the groceries.
Okay.
And we are going to for Kilimanjaro expedition. The ride in the Tuk Tuk is awesome. Thank you.
Is not going to Halloween.
What's your name? हम लोगों ने अपना जो रात का भोजन है वो खा लिया है और this is our final night in the town of Moshi.
And this lovely hotel.
The lovely hotel Keys होटल ये इसका आउटडोर का एरिया है. यहाँ पर बैठ के हमने खाना खाया और बहुत ही अच्छा खाना खाया. And this is managed in a very beautiful manner. And final night in Moshi town.
Good morning, guys. It's day fun for Kilimanjaro. So guys, अभी पैकिंग सब डन कर चुके हैं हम. अभी ये है हमारा rucksack, walking poles, some electronics, camera, stuff, everything, speaker, another bag, another rucksack, these two.
Thank you very much. Asante. Asante.
A very good positive start. Indeed. So अभी हमारा ट्रैक स्टार्ट होने लगा है.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
आ जाओ. So guys, we are finally here at the start of the Kilimanjaro trek. The dream to summit the Mount Kilimanjaro starts from here. It is the park headquarters, the Kilimanjaro park headquarters. So we are going through Marangu Gate, and as you can see, there are lots of people behind me who have come from various countries to do the trek. And it is a little bit cold here at the starting itself. So we expect a little cold weather, a more cold weather towards the hills. And yes, we have had our lunch. It is around 12:15 afternoon right now, and we're all ready to start the trek from Marangu route, the base camp of the headquarters. Thank you.
Yes, I have already climbed this mountain. See, Kilimanjaro Africa. Finally, I have submitted this mountain. ਆਪਾਂ ਜੀ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਮਾਊਂਟਨ ਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵਾਪਸ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
So guys, this is our day 1 at the Kilimanjaro National Park. As you can see, this is the entrance and this is the World Heritage Site and one of the 7 summits in the world of the mountaineering. Today we will start our trek from the Marangu route. This is the start. Let's go. Come on. Marangu route. Kilimanjaro, Marangu route. Come on.
Yes.
Hey, we are going to start. अभी हम 2-3 घंटे में ऊपर पहुंच जाएंगे इसके बाद
2-3 घंटे याद रखना ये मेरे पास रिकॉर्डिंग में है रिकॉर्डिंग चल 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 Alright guys, this is the Kilimanjaro. So first is 8 kilometer 3 hours, then 19 kilometers and then 13 then 19. So guys, अभी हमारा ट्रैक स्टार्ट हो चुका है memories.
So guys, this is the forest zone. So when you climb Kilimanjaro through the Marangu route, and he's with me, he's my friend Hope. His name is Hope, and so we are going with him now. This is a forest zone. As you can see, lots of greenery all around. This is the first climatic zone from where we will cross. Let's go. The best thing about this Kilimanjaro National Park is that we are not allowed to take water bottles or plastic. Also,
Trust in, just love.
yeah. And for that, I would like to say something that we have brought, bags with us so that whatever trash we have, we will not leave it on the mountain and not spoil the environment. We will bring the trash out with us so that the beauty of the Kilimanjaro remains intact as ever.
Yeah.
So finally guys, this is day 1 completion. We have reached at the Mandala Hut. This has been around 8 kilometers walk and everyone including Frank, we have made it to the day 1 and this is the Mandala Hut. So we'll be staying here tonight and beginning our journey tomorrow morning.
Hold on. Ready?
Yes. So guys, as you can see behind me, there are crows with a white neckline, and you can find these crows only in Tanzania, in the Kilimanjaro region. जैसा आप देख रहे हैं,
अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं मंदारा हट पे आफ्टर 8 किलोमीटर वॉक. बहुत ही अमेजिंग जो हमने चीज़ें देखी हैं, फ्लोरा एंड फौना, एंड उसके अलावा हमारा जो गाइड था बहुत ही अमेजिंग गाइड था. और ये देखो क्या कर रहे हैं पीछे. डू इट अगेन याद एक ये बंदर पकड़ के लाए हैं हमें.
So good morning everyone. Today is our day 2 of the Kilimanjaro's climb, and now we are going to start from Mandara Hut, and we are going to which place, Frank?
Holombo Hut.
We are going to Holombo Hut. So Holombo Hut, and he has taken us very good care of ourselves, Frank and his entire team, Hope, everyone. So it is a little bit drizzling today, so we have worn our ponchos, our raincoats and everything, and we hope to cover the distance in around 8 to 10 hours, right? Okay. So let's go.
Yep.
Hakuna Matata.
One dream.
So friends, while walking we came across this lovely flower. In Persian it is called Kilimanjari.
Yep.
And this flower is endemic to this region and can only be found in the Kilimanjaro region. So I just thought that we'll introduce you to a beautiful variety of flower, right?
Super.
ਆਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਗੱਦਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਭਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਭਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ, ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਲੋਕ ਗੱਦਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਭਰਨੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਭਰ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਸੌਂਦੇ ਸੀ. ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਗਰਮ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ. ਓਕੇ ਗਾਇਜ਼, सो अभी हमको अराउंड 1 आवर हो गया है चलते चलते, तो अभी रेन फॉरेस्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है. आफ्टर रेन फॉरेस्ट वी आर अप टू.
Friends, this flower is Confophia thomsoni, and this yellow like flowers, if you look at from a very big distance, they look like little bananas, little bananas, as if they would be there. So, and this is found only in the high altitude regions, and when wind comes, the seeds blow away and spread to all other places, and then these grow only in the high altitude regions of Africa.
Sure.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro.
So finally, this is day 2 and we are on the way to next camp. So अभी लगेगा टाइम हमें around 5-6 hours and you can see the glimpse of mountain. That's the mountain we're gonna climb. Seriously, just look at this place. It's amazing. We got ourselves a chef, waiter, and a guide. Okay. So there is the mountain we're gonna climb, and this is the way. And around somewhere here, after the fog, we're gonna have our lunch. It's recording.
Welcome, Raman.
Yep.
Welcome, Raman.
Yippee.
Yeah, so this is the halfway to the Horambo hut. Here we will have our lunch.
Yes.
You can see our hut, and we'll have our lunch here. It's a lunch point, and from here we'll go to the Horambo hut. We're almost halfway there now. Thank you. So guys, if you also want to enjoy, these trekkings and be a part of the mountaineering culture, then don't forget to follow us on Travel Mates Tourism. You can see, the logos of like on this
Yeah.
pack. Just look at the back,
Where it is? Where it is? Like this.
like this. Yeah. So, that is how we have come here through Travel Mates Tourism. It is one of the best tourist companies in India, and very authentic, very honest, and very, very good price.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do follow Travel Mates Tourism, TMT.
Yeah. Do follow, subscribe our YouTube channel. Subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on
Yes.
Instagram.
On Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, we're everywhere, man.
Everywhere.
We're everywhere.
And we are soon gonna be on every continent on this planet.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are in the African continent.
Yes.
On the way to Mount Kilimanjaro. कबीर जी कहते हैं कि कभी भी जिंदगी में किसी को भी अपने से छोटा कभी मत समझिए, और कभी भी उस इंसान की बेइज्जती मत कीजिए या उसकी निंदा मत कीजिए जो आपसे छोटा है. आपको एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर उनका ये दोहा दिखाता हूँ, ये देखिए. ये एक तिनका है, तिनका. कबीर जी बोलते हैं कि कबीरा तिनका कबहू ना नींदिया जो पाँव तले होए. यानी कि जो तिनका है वो आपके पाँव के नीचे है जब आप चल रहे हैं, उसको भी कभी जिंदगी में आप उसकी निंदा मत कीजिए. तिनका कबहू ना नींदिया जो पाँव तले होए, कबहू उड़ी आंखन पड़े तो पीर कनेरी होए. यानी कि कब ये तिनका हवा के जोर से उड़कर आपकी आंख में पड़ जाए तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा पीड़ा यानी कि दुख दे सकता है. यानी कि सब लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट कीजिए,
Equal समझिए.
उनका मान सम्मान कीजिए, एंड डोंट हर्ट एनीवन. यही भगत कबीर जी अपनी इस आइडियोलॉजी में बोलते हैं. थैंक यू.
So, in short terms, don't underestimate anyone.
Yeah. वाओ सो ब्यूटीफुल। दोस्तों आप ये देख रहे हो यहाँ पे ये जली हुई झाड़ियाँ, ये किलिमंजारो के होरोम्बो हट की जब हम और जाते हैं, while on the way to होरोम्बो हट you can come across lots of burned wood trees। ये यहाँ पर भयंकर आग लगी थी 2 साल पहले, जिसमें सब कुछ जलकर ये राख हो गया था। So this is, you know, we're passing through this place while on the way to Kilimanjaro।
Alright guys, we are at Horómbó Huts.
Yeah, we are at the Horómbó Huts now. So this is day 2 of the Kilimanjaro climb from Mandara Huts. The second stoppage is the Horómbó Huts. Like you can see behind me, these are the huts which have been made for us. And behind the huts,
Yeah,
the Kilimanjaro mountain.
let me show you. Show you what we're talking about. As you can see, that's our final destination.
Guys, do you know why it is called Kilimanjaro? It is called Kilimanjaro because in Swahili language, which is used in Tanzania, Kilima means mountain and Njaro means whiteness. So Kilimanjaro means mountain of whiteness, which you can see, it is the only part which is covered with whiteness. So that is why it is Kilimanjaro.
So how was the experience?
The experience was wonderful.
Okay.
The experience was wonderful,
Yes.
and I think this is out of the world.
Okay guys, so this is our hut. This is where we are staying today.
This is our hut, and here we are gonna stay. As you can see, we are packing up our bags.
Yes.
All these bags are packed, and so many people from many countries they come and they stay here.
Yeah.
And they say, "What is Horómbó Hut?"
Horómbó Hut. And as you can see, people write their names, dates, and leave their messages there. And it's a bunker bed type. You can stay down or up. It's good. So let's go for a soup.
Yeah,
Let's go.
let's go. Yeah. So, guys, finally, from Mandara Hut, we have made it on day 2 to the Horómbó Hut. As you can see, the elevation is 3,720 meters. The vegetation zone is moorland, and so we'll be staying for the second night here in the Horómbó Huts, which you can see all over here. People from various nationalities, from various countries have also come to climb Kilimanjaro. Good morning, everyone. Wonderful morning in Africa, Tanzania.
Yeah, very good morning, guys. Look at the view, yes. It's 5:30.
It's 5:30 in the morning, and
We are having honey lemon.
yeah, it's very cold, very chilly, as you can see. We're wearing gloves, you know, all kind of winter gear, and we're having hot water with lemon and honey to keep ourselves warm.
You have to vlog it. My hands are freezing.
So just look at the freezing beauty of the lovely morning in Tanzania. दोस्तों भगत कबीर जी बोलते हैं कि काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी बहुरी करेगा कब। कहने का अर्थ है कि हम हम सबकी ये टेंडेंसी होती है कि हम आज का काम कल पे छोड़ते हैं, कल का परसों पे छोड़ते हैं, परसों का नरसों पे, उसका अगले हफ्ते, फिर महीने और अगले साल के ऊपर। तो वो बोलते हैं कि आपको नहीं पता कि पल भर में क्या हो जाएगा और आपकी जिंदगी कैसा मोड़ लेगी। सो इसलिए कोई भी काम आप कल पर ना छोड़िए। जो आपको करना है, अगर आपका सपना है टू ट्रैवल, तो उसको 6 महीने बाद मत कीजिए, आज ही ट्रैवलिंग का प्लान बनाएं। अगर आपका मन है कोई पढ़ाई करने का, तो ये मत सोचिए कि मैं अगले साल एडमिशन लूंगा, इसी साल ट्राई कीजिए। जो करना है उसको दिल से कीजिए और कल पर मत छोड़िए। राइट?
starts now.
Start now. That's the bottom line. Thank you.
Day 3, morning breakfast.
Here's morning breakfast, day 3. Now we are going to from Gorongo Hut to Kibo Hut now. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning and we're going after this breakfast.
So guys, as you can see, this is the last water stream here. The porters and other guys fill their water here.
So guys, now we are on our way to the Kibo Hut and the Mount Kilimanjaro can be seen from here. It is visible now. And just look at the vast greenery. It's beautiful, guys, isn't it? Oh, we got company. Let's allow it to fly.
Yeah.
Let's let it fly. It's not scary. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Super. We are welcome our partner, Mr. Kamal, to Kibo Hut at the elevation of 4,720 meters, which is going to be our base camp. And Raman is making the video. Welcome to Raman also. So come on, guys, you guys made it today. Wonderful. Wonderful. Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro. Kibo. Kibo. You say Kibo?
Good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and it's been 8 hours since we are walking and climbing this mountain. You can see we started from somewhere there. Seriously, it's not a easy one. What about you? How are you doing? I have to show you. This is Gilman's Point. As you can see there, we reached Gilman's Point. It's 5,685 meters high of the sea level. Plus, we are on the way to summit.
चले जा रहे हैं हम सुबह हम रात 11 बजे के चले हुए हैं हमें क्योंकि 8:30 घंटे हो गए चलते हुए और बिना कुछ करेंगे किसी काम नहीं है दोस्तों बाकी आपको सब करेंगे
सबमिट करके बताएंगे आपको करने की
जन गण मन अधिनायक जया है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उछल जलती तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जया गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जया है भारत भाग्य विधाता जया है जया है जया है जया 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 है। दोस्तों आज हम आज़ादी के 75 साल मनाने जा रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान के और 75 इयर्स ऑफ इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस आप सभी को बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। जैसा कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री साहब ने बोला है कि हर घर तिरंगा तो इसी चीज को आगे ले जाते हुए दुनिया के हर कोने में तिरंगा लहराएं। आज मैं आपके सामने ये वर्ल्ड्स टॉलेस्ट जो फ्री स्टैंडिंग माउंटेन है और अफ्रीका की सबसे हाईएस्ट माउंटेन है माउंट किलिमंजारो, आज उसके ऊपर मैं अपना राष्ट्रीय तिरंगा लहराने आया हूँ। और ये एक्सपीडिशन मैं डेडिकेट करता हूँ सभी भारतवासियों को, सभी लोगों को, प्रधानमंत्री साहब को, अपने चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब पंजाब को श्री भगवंत सिंह मान जी को, अपने सीनियर ऑफिसर्स को, एंड सबसे ऊपर अपने माता पिता को और अपनी सिस्टर को, जिन्होंने मुझे ये करने के लिए प्रेरित किया, और अपने सभी दोस्तों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ जो मेरे साथ यहाँ पर खड़े हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद। और ये डेडिकेट करता हूँ ये आज का जो एक्सपीडिशन है टू द स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर ऑफ पंजाब, जो कि ताकि हम ड्रग्स के खिलाफ लड़ें और एक अच्छा स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर लेके आए अगेंस्ट फीमेल फिटिसाइड, एंड एक हंसता खेलता पंजाब, एक हंसता खेलता हिंदुस्तान, जहाँ पर कि बिना किसी भेदभाव के, विदाउट एनी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बेस्ड ऑन कास्ट, रिलीजन, कास्ट, क्रीड, एक हंसता हुआ हिंदुस्तान बनाए। जय हिंद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद। बोले सोनेहाल, सत श्री अकाल।
Kilimanjaro footy!
The best company,
Kilimanjaro footy!
the best company. One team, one dream. Today we have finally done the summit of the Africa's highest mountain, Mount Kilimanjaro, which you can see behind my back. It is also the world's tallest freestanding mountain, and as you can see all around, this is the only mountain which has still got glaciers in Africa, and a lot of them.
What a beauty. So finally, after the summit, we got ourselves Rajma travel.
Yes.
How you feel about that?
Finally, after 5 days of the summit, we are getting to eat, to our heart's content. Rajma, chawal,
Yeah.
salad.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you. Yeah, good video.
Thank you, everyone.
Everyone.
Hakuna Matata!
Hakuna Matata. Bye bye. Okay.
So guys, finally, the entire team has gone, and a big salute to them for making our dream happen on Mount Kilimanjaro expedition.